I've discovered the best homemade Grout haze cleaner. Thanks for joining me. This is Inspired DIY. I'm Kent. While searching the internet, I was looking at different Grout haze removers and I've found one which is really good and it's cheap. This is the recipe for it on your screen now. It's a mixture you can make up with stuff that you probably have in your cupboards. Don't worry if you didn't write it down, I'll add it in the description below. Here is a before and after shot of the tiles using this mixture. Once your grout is dry and cured, so from one day, within 10 days, you'll want to clean off the grout haze that's been left on the tiles. A haze is a whitish film that's left after grouting and it won't come off without some special cleaning. In the past, I've just cleaned the tiles with a sponge and water, but that's because these tiles were porous. So today I'm going to be using that recipe of vinegar, ammonia, baking soda, all diluted in water. Feel free to use the comment section below, help us all out, let us know what do you use for a grout haze remover and do you recommend it. Remember, if you are using any chemicals, use some eye protection, put on gloves, open up a window or turn a vent on. I just used a sprayer to apply this mixture onto the tiles. Each wall used about 100 to 150 ml. With a damp sponge, with water, wipe down the tiles and the haze will come off onto the sponge. Rinse it out frequently and change the water if you need to. This recipe that we used is really effective at cutting through the grout haze, removing it from the tiles. Because the ammonia and vinegar are a little bit stinky, I'm going to give the shower another wipe down just with water and a sponge. Floor cleaning products don't tend to remove the haze from tiles, so you'll either need to use this cheap and effective homemade mixture. You can use a phosphoric acid dilution, which is good because it also removes hard water stains and rust. You can buy a grout haze remover from the hardware store. If you only have vinegar at home, just use 1 part vinegar and 4 parts water. If you're going to seal the tiles like we are, wait at least 72 hours for the grout to really cure. Click on my ugly mug in the corner or the subscribe button down below and join me as I take you through all the different aspects of this shower renovation project. We'll see you on the next video.